In this video, I'll show you how to restore a deleted notebook in Microsoft OneNote. The recovery method depends on where the notebook was stored and whether you deleted the whole notebook or just parts of it. If your notebook was saved in the cloud, the first place to check is OneDrive. Open a browser, go to OneDrive.com and sign in with the same Microsoft account you use for OneNote. On the left, open the Recycle bin. Deleted OneNote notebooks usually appear as a folder. Select the notebook folder and click Restore. It will return to its original location. After that, open OneNote and let it sync so the notebook shows up again. Keep in mind, OneDrive only keeps deleted items for a limited time, usually around 30 days. If the notebook itself still exists, but you deleted pages or sections, you can restore them directly inside OneNote. Open the OneNote app, go to the History tab, and open the Notebook Recycle bin or Deleted Notes. You'll see recently deleted pages and sections, usually available for about 60 days. Right-click the item you want and choose Move or Copy to place it back where you want. If your notebook was stored locally and you use the OneNote desktop app, you may be able to restore it from backups. In OneNote, go to File, then Info, and choose Open Backups. Find the backup for the notebook, open it, and copy the recovered pages or sections into your active notebook. To sum up, check OneDrive's Recycle bin for fully deleted cloud notebooks. Use OneNote's Recycle bin for deleted pages or sections and rely on local backups if you were working offline. Acting quickly gives you the best chance of getting everything back.